All right, guys, I'm going to walk you through unlocking an Emblem Vault to get your Ethscription in your wallet. The only reason you want to do this really is because you've put more than one Ethscription in a vault by mistake. So here I am checking the Ethscription. You can see by clicking the link in the vault, you can actually check your Ethscription and check it on the Ethscription site. And so anyway, when I'm all ready, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here and click Unlock Vault, Get Private Keys. That's going to bring up my MetaMask, and this one's going to cost me about $16 in gas fees. And I just click Confirm. If it's in much more than like $20 or something, reject that transaction. You've probably done something wrong. But this will claim the vault. It takes a few seconds. You'll see it'll say claiming the vault. It'll actually like refresh the page. If something happens, you can always just refresh the page as well. And then you scroll down and you'll see the Get Keys button down there. Go ahead and click Get Keys, and that'll again bring up the MetaMask. It'll ask for a signature request. No gas required, just a signature. And give it a few seconds and it's going to pop up, and it's going to give you two things. The first one is a seed phrase. If you want to put it into a fresh wallet, you'll copy the seed phrase. But I'm going to use the ETH private key because I'm going to post it directly into a MetaMask. So I'm going to click the one down below, click that, that'll copy it, and then I'm going to go to my MetaMask. In the MetaMask, you're going to click the dot in the top right-hand corner, and you're going to click Import Account. So it's a little ways down, it's about halfway down. Click Import Account, and then you're going to paste it into this box, and make sure the type is private key. Definitely not JSON, private key, and then just click Import. And that's it. That created the new wallet in MetaMask. Now all I have to do is go to the Ethscription page. I'm going to sign out of my old account that I had signed on to with the Ethscriptions page. And I'm just going to log in to my brand new account. And now I can do whatever I want with my Ethscription. I can transfer to a new Emblem Vault or do whatever I want with it. So anyway, that's how you get it out of an Emblem Vault if you want to.